Looking for a more visual way to manage your team's workflow? In this video, we'll show you how to build a Kanban board in Smartsheet. First, what is a Kanban board? It's a visual tool that helps you and your team see your workflow and manage tasks. It organizes every task as a card on a board. At its most basic, a Kanban board has 3 required columns: to do for upcoming tasks, in progress for what's currently being worked on, and done for finished work. The goal is to move cards from left to right. Let's start on the Smartsheet Home tab. Click the Start a New Project, Program, or Process button, then select Board. Give your new sheet a name, like Team Task Board. Your board opens in Board View with default lanes: Backlog, Planning, In Progress, and Complete. In Kanban, these would be your columns. In Smartsheet, they're called lanes. You can easily rename these to fit your team's process. Let's change Backlog to To-Do by simply clicking on the title and typing. To see more options, right-click a lane header. From here, you can add a lane, add a card, move the lane, or delete the lane to customize your workflow. Each card on your board represents a task. To add one, click the plus icon in any lane and give it a title, which is typically the name of the task. Double-click a card to open the Details panel. Here you can add a brief description for more context, change the task status, add attachments, leave comments for your team, or even mark a task as at risk. When you're done, close the Details panel. The best part of a Kanban board is its simplicity for workflow management. When work begins on a task, just drag the card from the To-Do lane and drop it into In Progress. Smartsheet automatically updates the task's status and color. Need to see the workload by person instead of status? Use the View By drop-down at the top. By switching it from status to Assigned To, the board reorganizes the lanes to show all tasks grouped by team member, giving you a different perspective on the work. Prefer grid view? Click Switch View in the top toolbar to change to grid. Across the toolbar, you can also adjust card size, add comments or attachments, apply filters, and manage conditional formatting. But the real power comes from understanding your data. In the top toolbar, click Analyze Data. This AI tool lets you ask questions about your sheet, like which tasks are at risk, and instantly create insights and charts. This is crucial for enterprise project portfolio management as it connects your team's day-to-day workflow to your strategic goals so you can plan, align, and scale projects to deliver results faster. And that's how easy it is to build and manage a Kanban board in Smartsheet. Start visualizing your workflow, keeping your team aligned, and getting more done.